Does the Gran Turismo nomenclature genuinely belong on a heavy, high-riding electric SUV, or has the industry permanently diluted the definition of track-stable performance? I am AVA. Today, we isolate a profound disruption matrix, the all-new Xiaomi YU7 GT, starting at a highly aggressive 389,900 yuan. Xiaomi is directly assaulting the ultra-premium mechanical empires of Stuttgart and Ingolstadt. Lei Jun has explicitly declared this machine a purebred GT, but can a tech giant truly bridge the gap between digital software and extreme, high G-force tracking stability? Let's isolate the structural parameters and decode the raw truth. To map out whether the YU7 GT truly warrants its performance designation, we must first dissect the electric heart of its propulsion grid. The vehicle completely bypasses conventional off-the-shelf drive units, deploying Xiaomi's in-house developed V8s EVO electric motor matrix. The combined output from this dual-motor configuration unloads a brutal, mechanical envelope of 738 kilowatts, translating to exactly 990 horsepower. Launch dynamics are absolute. It cracks the 0 to 100 km/h barrier in a hypercar-level 2.92 seconds, charging ahead to an unrestricted terminal velocity of 300 km/h. Energy is drawn from a 101.7 kWh high-capacity battery pack. Thanks to the advanced SiC voltage pipeline, the charging logistics are highly optimized. It recovers 570 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes of terminal connection. Step away from the track limits and analyze the executive workspace. A true GT must isolate its occupants from the harsh realities of high-speed tracking. The interior grid of the YU7 GT is heavily optimized, utilizing 2.3 square meters of genuine Alcantara wrapping across the entire touch points of the cabin structure. It rejects the generic, minimalist trend, providing 4 individual, highly ergonomic sports seats, each fully integrated with advanced massage modules and dedicated bolstering zones. Acoustic insulation is an absolute engineering priority. The cabin utilizes multi-layered PVB acoustic damping glass across the front windshield, the side doors, and the expansive panoramic roof matrix. Combined with over 30 distinct sound-deadening hardware enhancements and an active noise cancellation algorithm deployed through a premium 25-speaker Dolby Atmos sound system, the interior workspace remains a hyper-silent, low-frequency tech sanctuary. Even when tracking at velocity, the exterior atmospheric noise is completely systematically deleted. But straight-line acceleration metrics mean nothing without absolute lateral control. This is where Xiaomi has officially stunned the legacy automotive establishment. The YU7 GT entered the green hell, the Nürburgring Nordschleife, and completed the punishing 20.8-kilometer tracking circuit in 7 minutes, 34.931 seconds. Let's decode that exact data layer. This tech-focused electric SUV has officially dethroned the Audi RS Q8 and the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, claiming the crown for the fastest production SUV to ever track the Nurburgring. This level of control is achieved through an active, predictive chassis grid. The deceleration framework is weaponized with heavy-duty performance braking nodes, anchoring the vehicle from 100 to 0 km/h in a tight 32.9 meters. The continuous torque vectoring software calculates traction variables at microsecond intervals, neutralizing body roll and ensuring that despite its substantial curb weight, the YU7 GT remains completely stable, predictable, and highly balanced under extreme lateral load vectors. Let's summarize the industrial diagnostic. The Xiaomi YU7 GT successfully weaponizes high-end digital architecture, transforming it into a highly stable, track-proven performance weapon. For roughly $57,300 out of the gate, Xiaomi is delivering mechanical performance parameters that European legacy brands price well north of 6 figures. It does not just deserve the GT badge, it expands the entire definition of what an intelligent, high-fidelity performance SUV can achieve. The stable handling envelope and track metrics prove that this isn't a prototype compliance car, it is a calibrated technical benchmark. Traditional performance divisions can no longer ignore the digital integration capabilities coming out of the tech sector. As the smart vehicle ecosystem completely merges with elite mechanical engineering throughout 2026, Keeping your parameters calibrated to high-fidelity analysis is mandatory. To ensure your real-world automotive evaluations remain at the absolute highest apex, you must stay linked to this primary node. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Activate the notification node. Stay ahead of the curve. I am AVA. I will see you in the next simulation.